Dear students, today we are going to learn about area, perimeter and volume, unit number 15, exercise number 15.4, page number 147. 15.4, calculating with prisms and cylinders. So, yeah, prism is a 3D shape that has the same cross section along its length. So, what is prism? So, prism means you already know that we learnt this. Right angle triangle. So this is right angle. So this is 90 degrees. So this is right angle triangle. So this is right angle triangle prism. You know that is right. So here you can see this is equilateral triangle. This one is equilateral triangle. So this is called equilateral triangle prism. So what is cross section? When you are cutting this right angle triangle prism into two pieces. So if you are cutting into two pieces, so this area and this area should be same when you are cutting. See here. So if you are cutting like this, you will not get the same sides, is right? But when you are cutting in this side, so you are going to see you will get the two sides should be the same thing. That is called cross section. Cross section means when you are cutting anything, you should get both sides should be the same size, same area. So here and here it should be same. The length, width, everything should be same. This is called cross section. Okay, so for example, it is given here. When you are cutting into pieces, you will get the same area for both sides. Okay, so now volume equal to area of cross section time length. So we are going to find the volume for this. This is a rectangular prism, is right? So this is called cuboid also. Okay, so for this we can see this is the rectangle shape and this is the prism, rectangle prism. For example, so these are the sides are given for us. See here it is 5 meter, 10 meter, 20 meter. We are taking this. So area of cross section equal to, so this is the cross section because it is shaded like this because we are cutting that. That's why we shaded like this. So this is the cross section. So area of cross section, we are finding the area for this. So rectangle, what is the formula? Length into width. We are multiplying these two numbers, length into width of this area. Okay, so length into width. So this is 5, this is 10. When we are multiplying, we are getting 50 meter square. So this is area of cross section. We found this one. Okay, but we are finding the value of volume, is right? So volume equal to, the formula is area of cross section. I am writing the short form, cross section. Okay, area of cross section times length. So what is the area of cross section of this diagram? We already found it here. It is 50 here. So 50 times, what is the length given here? The length is 20 meters. So times 20 equal to 1000 meter cube. So this is the formula we are going to use. So first volume equal to what? Area of cross section times length. You can use the short form like this. Okay. Okay. Next one, surface area. So what is the formula for the surface area of any diagram? Total area of all the faces of the prism. So see this image. So we have the front face, back face, side face, right side face, left side face, and top and bottom. Is that right? So there are 6 sides for this rectangular prism. Is that right? So 6 sides are there. So we have to find all these 6 sides area. Then we have to add it. Okay. For what about this one? So for example, I will show you one here. For example, this is the same image. I am taking the same image. Surface area equal to area of top, area of bottom, area of front, area of back, plus area of left, plus area of right. All the sides. Whatever the diagram given, we have to add all the sides areas. Okay. So now area of top. So this is the top side. So what is the area here? See here, this line, this and this. Everything is same. So this is 10 meter means this is also 10 meter. And this is also 10 meter and this is also 10 meter. Okay. And what about the other one? This is 20 means this is also 20 and this is also 20 and the other one is also 20 meter. What about the small lines here? 5 meter and this is also 5 meter and this is also 5 meter and this is also 5 meter. Okay. So opposite side, you know that sides is right. So opposite sides of the rectangle is same. So that's why we are having. Okay. Now area of top. So the top side we are taking. So what is the formula? Length into width. So length is 20, width is 10. So 10 times 20. So area of bottom, it is same. So whatever you have the top, you have the same thing in the bottom. So this is the area of bottom. Okay. So 20 times 10 equal to same thing. Plus area of front. So this is the front side we are taking. So 5 times 10. So back side also we have the same thing, 10 times 5. Then area of left. So this is the left side we are taking. This is the rectangle, is that right? So this is this rectangle. So 20 times, so this one you have to calculate 20 times 5, is that right? So we are taking this one, you have to note carefully, okay? So 20 times 5 equal to, that is the area of left, and area of right also the same thing. We are have, this is left and this is right. So this side, so it is 20 times 5. So it is also we are calculating. So we are multiplying this number 200, 250, 50, 100, 100. Multiply 10 times 20 is 200, 10 times 20 is 200, 5 times 10 is. So when you are doing the calculation, we are getting the answer. When you are adding this, we are getting the answer 700 meter square. Area, whenever you seeing the area, it should be a square. So 700 meter square. So volume, you already know that it is 1000 meter cube. Volume, because we are multiplying 3 sides, that's why it is cube. Here we are multiplying 2 sides, length into width, so it is meter square. Okay, next one, a cylinder is a prism, the cross section is a circle. So see here, a cylinder is a is also a prism. So this cylinder also a prism, because we have the circle here and we are connecting here. So cylinder also a prism. The cross section is a circle. See, when you are cutting this, we can't cut like this, because when you are cutting here, if you are cutting here, you will not get the same face in both sides, is that right? So cross section means what? When you are cutting anything, it should be same face in both sides. So here when you are cutting like this, you will not get the same face. You will get, if you are cutting here, you will get the small face here, you will get the big space here. But when you are cutting in this side, you will get the same space for every time. So you will get the same face for each and every time cutting like this, is that right? So area of circle, you know the formula. Area of circle equal to what? Pi r square. So area of circle equal to what? Pi r square. We already learnt in the last topic. Volume of prism. So volume of prism of the cylinder. So we are talking about the cylinder here. Okay. Volume of prism equal to area of cross section times length. We already did it here. See, area of cross section. So area of cross section, we already know that. So this is area of cross section times length. So volume of prism equal to what? Area of cross section times length. Okay. Volume of cylinder. Now we are going to find the volume of this cylinder. So what is the formula for this? Volume of cylinder equal to area of cross section. Area of cross section of this one is what? So area of cross section for this one, this is circle. So area of cross section of the cylinder, that means area of circle. So area of circle and area of cross section of the cylinder, both are same. So area of cross section of the cylinder and area of circle, both are same. We will do some question, then you can understand easily. So area of cross section equal to what? It is pi r square, because area of circle is same, area of cross section of the cylinder also same. So it is pi r square time length. Here we are taking the length as a height, is right? It is a straight one, so we are taking as a height. So pi r square times height. You can write pi r square h also. So both are same, pi r square times h or pi r square h. Okay, now we are going to the sums. We will do one by one. See the first question, exercise number 15.4. Work out the volume of each prism. So now we are going to find the volume of each prism. So we are going to, the picture is given like this. The first one is cuboid like this. So here, see here, 15 centimeter square is given this side. So what is the meaning of that? Centimeter square means area. So the area is already given for this side. And what here it is length is given here. So what is the volume? Volume equal to area of cross section times length. We already found it. Volume equal to what? Area of cross section times length. That is the formula. Okay, you have to remember that. So volume equal to area of cross section times length. So area of cross section. So what is the area of cross section? We have 15. So 15 times the length is 8. So 15 times 8 is 120 centimeter cube, because it is volume. So centimeter cube. So this is very, very easy. Okay, so just remember the formula. If they are giving the question like this, you can easily solve. What about the second question? So this is 1B. So this is the picture is given. So equilateral triangle prism is given for us. So what is this one? So the area of the cross section is given. It is 20 centimeters square and the length is 6.5. Again the same formula. Volume equal to area of cross section times length equal to the area of cross section is given 20 times length is 6.5. So when you are multiplying, we are getting the answer 130 centimeter cube. So we are moving to the next question, C. Okay. So what is this shape? This is the trapezoid, is that right? You know that. So trapezoid prism. So we are going to solve this one. Okay. So the area of cross section is given here 32 centimeter square, and the length is given 4.2 centimeter. 4.2 centimeter. Okay. Volume equal to same formula, area of cross section times length. So area of cross section is 32 times 4.2. When you are multiplying that, you are getting 134.4 centimeter cube. Now we are going to the second question. So see here, work out. So what is the details are given here? Area of cross section equal to 12 centimeter. It is given. Length equal to 10 centimeter. It is also given. Find the volume. So you already know that the formula, volume equal to area of cross section times L. So this is the picture sum. This is the word sum. Okay. So here area of cross section times length is the formula. So 12 times 10. So the area of cross section is 12 and the length is 10. So when you are multiplying, we are getting 120 centimeter cube. So it is same as like that. Okay. What about the next one? 2B. Area of cross section is given 24 centimeter square. Volume is given. So volume equal to 204 centimeter cube. Now they are asking about the length. Okay. So if you have area and length, you can find the volume. But here they gave area and volume. They are asking about the length. So you already know the formula. Formula is same. Volume equal to area of cross section times length. So what is the thing we need? Length we need. So what I am going to do? Keep the L in the length in the same side. So L is equal to bring the area of cross section to the other side. So we bring the area of cross section to the other side. So V by area of cross section equal to length. So that's why I am writing here L equal to V by, that means volume by area of cross section. So keep the L in the same side, bring the area of cross section to the other side. So L in the same side, volume divided by area of cross section. Now substitute the value. L equal to volume equal to what? 204, and divided by area of cross section is equal to what? 24. When you are dividing this, we are getting the answer 8.5 centimeter, because they are asking the length. So it is centimeter only. Okay guys. Now we will go to the next sum. 2C. Length equal to 6.2 meter. Volume equal to 114.7 meter cube. Area of cross section equal to what? Okay. So they can change anything here. So we have to find it. The formula is same. Volume equal to area of cross section times length. So here length and volume is given here. So we are going to find the area. Is that right? So the formula is same. So now keep the area of cross section in the same side and bring the L to the other side. So V is already here. When you are bringing this to the other side, it is V by L. So area of cross section equal to V by L. So is equal to, substitute the value. So volume equal to 114.7 and divided by length equal to 6.2. So equal to, when you are dividing this, we are getting the answer 18.5 meters square. Very, very good. So we are moving to the question number 3. Work out the volume and surface area. We are going to find both of them. So volume and surface area of each prism. Okay. So the first prism is given here. See here, the details are given 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and this is the cross section. Okay. That's why it's shaded. The other side is length is 14 centimeter. Now, for the cuboid, you already know that. So the formula, you can use the volume equal to length time width time height, or you can use the whatever we are using here, volume equal to area of cross section times length. So you can use any one. Okay. So now, if you are using the old one, so length into width into height. So length is given 7 and width is 5 and the height is 14. So you can take like this, height is 5 or length is 7 and width is 14, whatever it is. Okay. So write the numbers and multiply that. When you are multiplying, we are getting the answer 490 centimeter cube, because it is a volume. Okay. What about the exact formula we are using here? Volume equal to area of cross section times L. Is that right? So length. So area of cross section means this is these two. Is that right? So length into width, because area means what? Area equal to what is the formula for the rectangle? This is the rectangle shape. So it is length times width times length is given here. So what about this? We are taking only the cross section here, is right? So the cross section, what is the length? 7. What is the width? It is 5. So 7 times 5 times, what is the length of this prism? It is 14. So 5 times 7 times 14 equal to what? 490 centimeters. So you can use any method, but this is the formula you have to remember. So this is applicable for all the prisms. Here it is applicable for only this one. Okay. So now we are going to find the surface area. So what is surface area? We already learned this. So surface area means add all the sides area, add all the sides area. Okay. So now I am going to add all the sides of the area, all sides area. Okay. So first one, this is the front, back, left side, right side, top, bottom. There are 6 sides for this. Okay. Now find one by one. So what about the first one? So this is the rectangle. Here in this prism, every side is a rectangle shape. So the formula is L into W, is that right? So length time width. So what about the first one? It is, we are multiplying here. So 5 times 7 equal to 35. Okay. What about the back side? It is also same as the front side. So that is also 35 because length into width. Plus, what about the next one? We are going to do the left side and right side. Okay. So see, this is the right side. So this is 5 means this is 5, this is 5. Every side is 5, the small lines. Okay. So 5 centimeter. So 14 times 5 equal to what? 70. So this, I am taking this one. You can see this box. Okay. So this rectangle. So this rectangle equal to what? Length into width. So length into width is 14 times 5 equal to 70. Again, if it is the right side, the 70 means left side also, it is also 70. Okay. Now top and bottom. So take the top one now. So this is 7 means this is also 7. You know that. And this is 14 means this is also 14 centimeter. So take the top one. So this is 7 and this is the rectangle. Okay. So 7 times 14 equal to what? 98. So top is 98 and bottom also 98. So when you are adding this, we are getting 406 centimeters square. Okay. Just find all the areas and add that. Okay. What about the next one? The triangular prism. So what we are going to do? So first we are finding the volume. Okay. Volume equal to area of cross section times L. So now what about the triangle? What is the area for the triangle? So you know the formula. BH by 2 or half BH. Both are same. Area of triangle is equal to what? BH by 2 or half BH. You can write anyway. Okay. Times length is already here. So we are writing that. Now what is the B? The breadth and the height. Is right. We are multiplying the breadth and height. So what is the height is given? Don't see here because the height is the straight one. Is right. So the height is given 6 and the breadth is 16. So breadth is 16 here. And what is the height is given here? This is the height. Okay. This is height, not this one. This is this side measurement. Okay. This side measurement is 10 centimeter, but the height is 6 centimeter. So that's why we are writing breadth is 16 and the height is 6 centimeter divided by 2 times length. Length is what? Here it is 9.5. So 9.5. So 16 times 6 divided by 2 equal to 48 times 9.5. When you are multiplying that, we are getting the answer 456 centimeter cube volume. So it is cube. Okay. Now we are going to find the surface area. So surface area means add all the sides areas. Okay. Now how many sides we have? 1, back side 2, and this is 3 side. Is it right? 1, 2, 3. So bottom 1, right side 1, left side 1. So there are 5 sides for the triangular prism. Okay. Now find one by one. So what about the first one, the triangles this side? So we already found it here. So area of cross section, the area of cross section, just now we found it. It is 48. Is right? So this one is 48. So this is 48 means the back side also 48. Back side also 48. Now we are going to find this side, right side, left side and bottom one. Okay. So now see, I am going to find the right side now. So right side means this rectangle. See, this is the rectangle. Okay, this is the rectangle. So find the right side rectangle. What is the length is given? 9.5. And what is the width is given? So this is 10 means this is also 10. Is that right? This 10 means this is also 10 because this is equilateral. Is that right, guys? So Oh, sorry, this is not equilateral. Equilateral means you will get 10 here, is that right? So this is not equilateral. So this line is 10 means this is also 10. It is given here, okay? So this is 10. So 9.5 times 10 equal to what? 95. So right side we found it. And what about the left side? So left side also 95. So this is 95 means the opposite side also 95. What about the bottom? Bottom we have to find it properly. So see this. This is the bottom. This is also a rectangle, is that right? So this is also rectangle. Here it is given 9.5 and this one is 16. So 16 times 9.5 equal to what? 152. So all sides, we have to find all the sides. Now add the number equal to 438 centimeter square. So this is the concept, okay? Okay, now we are going to do the again right angular prism, right angle triangle prism. So see here the values are given. This is the prism. Okay. Now first thing we are going to find the volume. Okay, volume equal to area of cross section times length. So area of cross section we have to find it here. This is also triangle, is right? So BH by 2, area of cross section is BH by 2 times length. So BH, so this is B and this is H. When you are multiplying and divided by 2, you got 30 and length is 15.4. So 15.4. When you are multiplying, we are getting the answer 462 centimeter cube. Okay, 462 centimeter cube. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to find the surface area. So surface area means add all the sides areas. Okay, so first how many sides are there? 1, 2, the left side 1 and the top 1, bottom 1. So there are 5 sides we have here. So we have to find one by one. Okay, first we will find the first one because we already know that area of the cross section. So what is the area of cross section we got? Here it is 30. Is that right? So 30. If it is 30, the back side also 30. Is that right? So this is also 30. Now you can find any side. So top or bottom or anything. Okay. So now first we are going to find the top one. Okay. 13. So see, this is the top rectangle. So this is the top rectangle. Okay. So this one. So rectangle means you know the formula, length into width. So 15 times 4 times 13 equal to what? 200.2 is the area. Okay, 200.2 is the area. When you are multiplying these two, 13 times 15.4, we will get the answer here like this. Okay, what about the second one? We are going to find the top one. You find it here. Both are not same because length, this, the width is 13 here, the width is here is 12. See, I am going to take this one. So this rectangle, the bottom one, this is the bottom one. Is that right, guys? So this is the bottom one. So what is the width is given? 12. And what is the length is given? 15.4. So 15.4 times 12 equal to what? 184.8. So now we got other two rectangles. Now we are going to find the left side rectangle. So here I am going to find the area of this rectangle. So here it is, with this height is given 5 centimeter. What about this one? This and this and this, all are same. The length is same everywhere. Okay, so this is 15.4 means this is also 15.4 centimeter. So now you can easily find the area of this rectangle. So this is 15.4 and this one is 5. So 5 times 15.4 equal to what? 77. So we are going to find the surface area. Now add all these values. We are getting 522 centimeter square.